àwọn kan ní Jésù ò jagun.
Some people say Jesus Christ did not fight.
Matthew 26.
Matthew chapter 26.
láti 51.
From 51.
nínú àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn ẹ̀ kó nǹkan ogun sára.
His disciples had ammunitions for war.
gbàrà tí wọ́n mú Jésù báyìí.
Immediately Jesus Christ was caught.
Pétérù fa idà yọ.
Peter drew out his
ó
sword
ṣá ẹnìkan létí
and
bẹ̀.
cut somebody's ear.
ẹ̀gbọ́n tí Jésù
Do
sọ.
you hear what Jesus Christ said?
kò ní kó sọ idà
He
ẹ̀
did
nù.
not tell him to throw
ó
away
ní
that
ta
sword.
tẹ́ padà sínú akọ ẹ̀.
He said, keep back that sword in the shirt.
tẹ́ padà sínú akọ ẹ̀.
Keep it back in the
ẹ
shirt.
tó bá fi idà la máa fi
Anybody
pa.
that kills with the sword shall die by the sword.
nísìn
Now,
wọn ò tí ì pa ẹnikẹ́ni.
nobody has been killed.
wọ́n kàn mú mi ni.
They have just caught me.
o ò lè lo idà láti fi pààyàn
So
náà.
you don't have the right to kill anybody with
ṣùgbọ́n
a
tó bá
sword.
pa ènìyàn.
But when they kill,
idà la ó fi pa ẹni tó pààyàn.
that person will be killed as
tó
well.
sọ nìyẹn
That's
náà.
what Jesus Christ was saying.
tẹ́ bá tún lọ sí ìwé ìfihàn.
If you go to the Revelation
13 verse 10.
13 verse 10.
ẹ tó bá pààyàn nípa idà.
Anybody that kills by the
nípa
sword
idà la ó ti pa.
shall by the sword be slain.
bíbélì sọ
That's
náà.
what the Bible says.
mi ní kẹ́kẹ́ kí ilé lóògùn.
I'm not saying you should start going to the
Rárá.
herbalist house.
Rárá.
No.
ṣùgbọ́n
But
ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ mọ̀ pé ó tọ́ tó yẹ
do things that you know that are
láti fi
right.
protect ara yín àwọn ọmọ yín ọkọ yín ìyàwó yín ìlú yín agbègbè yín.
That you can use to protect yourself, your family, your surroundings, your environs.
o ò lè gbé ìbọn.
If you cannot bear arms,
But bíbélì sọ pé ká padà sí ilé.
but the Bible says we should go back
pé
home.
ká fi ẹ̀kọ́ Kristi tì ná.
Set aside the teachings of
ká
Christ.
padà sí
Let
ilé.
us go back
ṣé
home.
bínú bíbélì ló wà.
Is it not in the Bible?
Hébérù 6 verse 1.
Hebrews chapter 6 verse 1.
ṣùgbọ́n
But
ó ní ẹ padà sí ilé.
he said go back
kẹ́
home.
ṣe pípé.
Do the perfection.
kí ni pípé.
What is the perfection?
kí ni pípé.
What's the perfection?
ó ní ṣùgbọ́n
He said but
ẹ má lò nípa ti èṣù.
don't use it in the
ẹ
ways of the
ṣe
devil.
pẹ̀lú pàtì Ọlọ́run.
Do it in the ways of God.
má ṣe ògùn tó máa bá tiyan jẹ́ má ṣe tó máa pànìyàn. má
Don't
ṣe
do
tó máa
things that
bẹ́ẹ̀.
will destroy people's life. That will
ṣùgbọ́n
kill people.
àkókò ẹ̀ nìyí o.
But this is the time.
àkókò rẹ̀ nìyí.
This is the time.
àkókò tá a máa tọ́jú ara wa
This is the
nìyí.
time to take care of
Jésù
ourselves.
ni mo wá nípa tara.
Jesus Christ said,
Mo wá
I came
nípa
physically
tẹ̀mí.
and spiritually.
nípa tẹ̀mí là ń bá lọ tẹ́tẹ́lẹ̀.
We are going
but báyìí
spiritually,
sí
but now
nípa tara ni.
we have to go in the physical.
mo ti Jésù sọ ni.
That's what Jesus Christ said.
mi ò ní olóṣàyà gbàgbà.
I'm not saying you should be audacious.
rárá o.
No.
ṣùgbọ́n
But
try
try.
tí ò bá bọ́ sí gbà náà.
If it does not work after you've tried your best,
ó kù sọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
then it is left to God.
iṣẹ́ àwọn àpọ́sù
Acts of the Apostles,
19
chapter 19,
verse 12.
verse 12.
Pọ́ọ̀lù
Paul,
ó lo bàǹtẹ́.
he used an
kí ni
apron.
bàǹtẹ́ yẹn.
What's that apron
ó
for?
fi hílì àwọn
He
ènìyàn.
was using it to heal people.
ó yàtọ̀ sí pé lórúkọ Jésù.
It is different from in
Lágbára
Jesus'
ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù.
name. In the name of Jesus.
ẹ̀mí nìyẹn.
That is
ṣùgbọ́n tí
spiritual.
nǹkan mi bá ti wà.
But when there are
tá
some
bá ti
other
lo
things,
nǹkan mi.
and we use some other things,
tara nìyẹn.
that is physical.
ṣùgbọ́n
But
Ọlọ́run wá support yẹ.
God supported it.
ìwọ tó bá ṣe oògùn
If you are doing
láti fi protect ìlú
to
ẹ.
protect your own,
láti fi protect ilẹ̀
to
ẹ.
protect your
láti fi
land,
protect gbogbo nǹkan tó ní.
to protect everything you
á
have,
ṣiṣẹ́ fún
it
ọ.
will work for you.
tóògùn
God.
ò ní fi jà ìwọ tọmọtaya ẹ
That
àtọkọ
one will
ẹ.
not come upon you and your
tí ò ní fi
family.
jà ìjọ rẹ.
And it will not come upon your
á
church.
ṣiṣẹ́ fún
It will work.
ẹ. ẹ má tẹ̀lé wọn o.
Don't follow them.
tọ́ ma sọ wípé ẹ má ṣe
I
nǹkan
will
kan.
say don't do anything.
wọ́n lè kó ọlọ́pàá mẹ́fà méje dán.
And they have 6, 7 policemen that are watching over them.
wọ́n kó ogun jọ.
They have security personnel.
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ lówó ọlọ́pàá kílẹ̀ láti
Either
protect
you
ara
don't
yín.
have money to hire police.
wọ́n wá ṣí ojú yín sínú church.
They will now put your eyes in the
kẹ́ máa
church
wá sí church.
so that you can be coming to church.
kẹ́ máa wá sí church.
So that you can be coming to
so
church.
tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kú kẹ́ kú.
So that if you want to die, you can even die.
Àbí?
Is that all?
irọ́ o.
No.
àwọn ọmọjọ tèmi.
My own
èmi
members,
sọ fún yín
I'm
báyìí.
telling you,
ẹ má ṣe oògùn kà.
don't do
ẹ
evil
má ṣe ohun tó máa
charm.
bá tènìyàn jẹ́.
Don't do things that will destroy
ṣùgbọ́n
people's
bíbélì
life.
tí mo kóòtù fún yín
But
yẹn.
what I've quoted
ẹ lọ
for you,
kà
go
á.
and read it
ohun tó bá yẹ
myself.
kẹ́ ṣe.
Whatever you're supposed to do,
ẹ ṣe.
do it.
kò sẹ́ṣẹ̀ mbẹ̀.
There is no sin in it.